Look here, another term for exponent as rational number a by b into c by d whole to the power or both to the power m, then its m, the power is individually raised to the a by b and c by d also. As suppose 2 by 3 into 4 by 5, and there is sign of multiplication and raised to the power 7. It means this is 2 by 3 to the power 7 into 4 by 5 to the power 7. Okay. For the case of division, as given, the whole to the power m means m is the power of a by b and c by d individually or separately. As it means, suppose the value of 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 5 and whole to the power 7, it means this is 2 by 3 to the power 7 divided by 4 by 5 to the power 7. Okay. If the power is negative, then it will be a reciprocal of that number. So how it be happened? It means it's a by b to the power minus m, means 1 by a by b to the power m. If it shifted to the denominator, the power will be positive. So it means 1 a by a raised to the power m by b raised to the power m, and this become the numerator. So this is b to the power m by a to the power m, or b by a whole to the power m, as this one. Okay. If base is anything and power is 0, the result will be 1. Suppose the 2 to the power 0 will be 1, and 3 by 4 to the power 0 is also 1. Okay. As base to the power 1, then result will be itself as 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2, and 3 by 4 to the power 1 is equal to 3 by 4. Okay. So write this one also. Okay, now we'll discuss some question answer of exercise 2.1, which is based on the law of exponents. As the question is given, find the multiplicative inverse of minus 10 raised to the power minus 3. It means we have to find the number from that. If we multiply minus 11 raised to the power 3, result will be 1. So you can easily write that one. The number is minus 11 to the power 3. Okay. How it's happened? Look. It's a minus 11 to the power 3 to the power minus 3. It means 1 by minus 11 to the power 3. It means its denominator is 1. So if we multiply with what number? Minus 11 to the power 3, what you will get? Result will be 1. So this number is the multiplicative inverse of minus 11 to the power raised to the power minus 3. Okay. So if you required to solve that one, so you can multiply by the positive power of that same number and you will get the answer. or if you just write the answer, this one is just required. Okay, express the following as exponential form, means we have to write this one in the form of exponential or in the form of power. Suppose 1 is given, so we can write 1 into 1 into 1, the result will be 1. Similarly, this is minus 6 into minus 6 into minus 6. Then it will be 1 to the power minus 3 by minus 6 to the power minus 3, and finally you can write 1 by minus 6 whole to the power 3. Okay. Similarly, there are 4 times of multiplication of 4. So it will be 4 to the power 3 by minus 11 to the power 3, and finally you can write like this, 4 by minus 11 and whole to the power 3. So this is the answer of this one. Okay. So write this one also. Okay, the third question is express the following rational number in the exponential form, means in the form of power. Okay, as 64 is given. So we can get the prime factor of it, or this is the product of 4 into 4 into 4, and this one is 5 into 5 into 5. So it will be 4 to the power 3 by 5 to the power 3, or you can write 4 by 5 whole to the power or raised to the power 3. Okay. But if the question is, if the number is large, then we have to do some calculation. As being the student of class 8, the number should be in term of power or to the power cube, not more than that one. So in that cases, look here, we have to remember as a number, their power is 3, the result will be 1. So if power is 3, 2 to the power 3, the result will be 8. Means if the last digit is 8, it means it's a power of to the power cubic power of 3. If which is 7, and then 4, then 4. And it's a 5 to the power 3, the result will be 5. 6 to the power 3, the result will be 6. 7 to the power 3, the result will be 3. 8 to the power 3, result will be 2, and 9 to the power 3, result will be 9. Okay, so look here, what we have discussed, if the unit place is 1, the number should be power of 1 or 11 or 21 or 31 or 41 like that. If the unit digit is 8, it means that it is power of 2, 12, 22, 32 like that. If the last digit is 7, which is power of 3, if the unit place is 3, then this is power of 3, 13, 23, 33 like that. Similarly, is it? So, what we have seen, if last digit is 3, then the value should be power of 7. The power of 7 to the power 3 or 17 to the power 3 or 27 to the power 3 like that. So, obviously this number is very small. So, you can do the multiplication 7 into 7 into 7, you will get 3, 4, 3. So the result will be negative. So number should be in the term of odd number. So this is minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7. Okay. Last. Look here. The unit place is what? 7. So either this is 3 to the power 3 or 13 to the power 13 or 23 to the power 3, like this. So obviously this is not 3 to the power 3. It may be 13 to the power 3 or 23 to the power 3. So most probably if you multiply that one, you will get this is 13 into 13 into 13. Then what you will get? Minus 7 by 13 to the power 3. So this is the answer. Okay. Write this one also. Look here, question number 4 is find the sixth power of 3. It means question is saying we have to get the value of 3 raised to the power 6. It means this is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is equal to 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27, 27 3 are 81, 81 3 are 243, 243 3 are 7 to 9. Okay. So result will be the sixth power of 3 is equal to 7 to 9. Similarly, evaluate the following. Means we have to find the value of this one. So as given, the power is odd number. If the base is negative and power is odd, so result will be negative. Okay, as we discussed initially. So it means minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 5 times by 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 5 times. Okay, then what will get? 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27, 27 3 are 81, 81 3 are 240, 243. And what we have discussed, if the power is odd number on any negative number, the result will be negative. By 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64, 64 4 ja 156, 256, 256 4 ja 1024, which is 1024. Okay. In this case, if power is negative, the number will be reciprocal of it. Means it will be 5 by minus 2 to the power 3. It means this is 5 into 5 into 5 by minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So how many? The power is odd number on any negative value. The result will be negative. So this is 5 5 ja 25, 25 5 ja 1 2 5 by 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, which is in minus. Means 125 by minus 8. Okay. Okay, look here. Question number 6 is saying evaluate the following using the lowest exponents. Look here, both have common base and the different power. as we discussed, if the base is same and the power is different, in case of multiplication, both the power is to be add. So it will be minus 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 9 plus 8. So it become minus 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 1, or it's equal to 1 by 3 to the power 1, or 3, this is going to numerator, so it becomes 3 by 1 to the power 1, or 3. The result will be 3. In this case, if there is a sign of division, both the power are, both base are same, power are different, but in the case of division, it will be like this: 1 by same base means 2 by 5 minus this represent to m and this represent to n. If n is greater, then it will be n means 4 minus 3. So what 1 by 2 by 5 to the power 1. So it will be 5 by 2 to the power 1, or 5 by 2. Okay. The next one is find the value of, the question is given as minus 8 by 16 raised to the power minus 1 and 16 by 5 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 4 by 5 raised to the power minus 1. So in case of solving this type of question, just see the power is negative, so it will be reciprocal of it. So it will be 16 by minus 8 into, this become 5 by 16. Is it? And I'm just writing same thing, 4 by 5 to the power minus 1. So it will be cancelled. 16 1 just 16. Then what will get? 5 by minus 8 divided by 4 by 5 raised to the power minus 1. So it will be 5 by 8 divided by 5 by 4, and it will be 5 by 8. This sign of division converted into multiplication, the next of the value become reciprocal of it. So it become into 4 by 5. 5 1 is 5 and 4 2 is 8. So result will be 1 by 2. Okay. See this question. 2 to the power minus 1. Suppose 2 is written here. 2 means it's a 2 by 1. 5 means it's a 5 by 1. Okay. So that's why if you're going to solve this question, it become 1 by 2 and this become 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 4. Is it clear? So if we multiply these two, what will get? 1 by 10 divided by 1 by 4. Okay. So in case of converting this sign of division to multiplication, this value become the reciprocal of it. So it becomes 4. So this is 4 by 10, which is 2 by 5. Okay, this is actual question of question number 8 of question number 7. By mistake I just leave this one to the power or raised to the power minus 1. it just missed in the last question which I solved here. So actual question is this one. So I am going to solve once again. So it becomes 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 to the power minus 1 and 1 by 4 like this. So it becomes 1 by 10 to the power minus 1 divided by 1 by 4. So it becomes 10 by 1 into 4 by 1. If you convert that one sign of division into multiplication, this value becomes the reciprocal of it. So it becomes multiplication. So this is 40 by 1 is equal to 40. So this is the correct answer because I just missed that the power of minus 1. That's why I got the another answer. Okay. So right, this one is the correct one. Okay. This one is the correct. Okay, look here. Find the value of, question number 8 is saying find the value of, the equation is given like this. So look here, base are same. For the case of division, the power are different. First of all, we have to see which one is the smaller. This one is smaller, means we have seen that one as a law of exponent, that this represent to m and this represent to n. So in that cases, if m is greater, n is smaller, then just subtract m minus n. So what you will get? This become 1 by 5 to the power minus 4 minus this one is equal to 1 by 5 to the power 2x. Okay, so it becomes 1 by 5 to the power minus 4 plus 8 is equal to 1 by 5 to the power 2x. Okay, so what you will get? 1 by 5 to the power 4 is equal to 1 by 5 to the power 2x. Okay, so you can write both have same base, therefore 2x is equal to 4, therefore x is equal to 4 by 2, 2 2 ja 4, so x is equal to 2. Okay, write this one also. Look here, question number D. We have to find the value of x as given a to the power 0. As you know that if the power of 0 on any integer, this a, all the it's represent to integer. So a 0 is power of any integer, the result will be 1 divided by a to the power minus 1 is equal to a raised to the power x. So it becomes 1. This one 1 by a is equal to a to the power x. So this becomes 1 into a to the power x. So you will get the a equal to a to the power x. So you can write base are same, therefore x is equal to, nothing is here, means there are power of 1. So x is equal to 1. Okay. The second question is, look here, 3 raised to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 9. So we can write this one as 3 2x plus 1 divided by 3 to the power 2, 3 3s are 9, so 3 into 3 we can write 3 to the power 2 means 3 into 3, which is equal to 9, and 27 is equal to 3 to the power 3. 3 3 are 9, 9 3s are 27. So what we get? We get 2x plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 3 to the power 3. 3 to the power 3. So it become 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 to the power 3. So you can write that one, base are same. Therefore, 2x minus 1 is equal to 3. 2x is equal to 3 plus 1. 1 is going next side of equal to, it becomes the positive. The sign will be changed. So it becomes plus. So it's a 2x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 by 2. This is 2 2s are 4. Then finally x is equal to 2. This is the correct answer. Okay, write this one also.